Can you die from a concussion? No, you can't die from a single concussion injury. However, you can die from things that may also occur at the same time as concussion. For example, a brain bleed. This is why when a concussion occurs, you need to be watching things for the next 3 to 4 hours right after it happens, because you're looking for any of the red flag scenarios that can indicate signs of a worsening condition. These are things that tip you off to potential brain bleed. That you can die from. You can die from a brain bleed. So if you've had any type of head trauma and you have any of the red flag issues, you should be going to the emergency department right away, because these can be significant and they can be life-threatening. I'll read the list. Severe or worsening headache, seizures with no history of seizures, weakness in an extremity, nauseousness or vomiting, decreasing alertness, changes in vision, tingling or numbness, difficulty speaking or understanding speech, difficulty swallowing, difficulty writing or reading, loss of fine motor skills, loss of coordination, loss of balance, abnormal sense of taste, and a loss of consciousness. Those are some red flag scenarios that should indicate that you should be going to the emergency department, because that indicates a brain bleed. A single concussion by itself without a brain bleed is not a fatal thing. It's not a life-threatening issue. One other thing that can be a life-threatening issue in very rare scenarios is what's called second impact syndrome. Second impact syndrome is having a second concussion before you've recovered from the first concussion. So if you have a concussion, there's a period of vulnerability in which you can suffer another concussion with much less force. Not only can you get another concussion with much less force, but during that period of vulnerability, that second concussion can actually result in a fatal outcome. A concussion results in an energy deficit that takes a few weeks to get back up to normal. If you get another concussion before that energy deficit has recovered, your energy levels can drop down to levels where it may create permanent damage, it may create a very prolonged outcome, or in the worst case scenario, it can be fatal. So the question again was, can you die from a concussion? No, provided it's managed appropriately and provided you don't have anything else more serious going on than a concussion. So the summary here, you can't die from a concussion, but you can die from a brain bleed, and you can also die from a second impact syndrome. So if you have a concussion, you should immediately stop all high-risk activities, anything that puts you at risk for hitting your head again. So you should be definitely removing yourself from the game, definitely removing yourself from any type of future contact practice or contact activities until you're cleared to do so by a licensed healthcare practitioner with appropriate concussion training. And also, if you have a suspected concussion, you should be watching out and monitoring for those red flags that I talked about, because those are the things that can be fatal.